In this module, I want to show you how you can create an interactive quiz game using Canva AI, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and click on this Canva AI. And when that opens up for me, I'm going to go straight to code because I want it to code it for me. Okay, so I'm in the Canva AI 2.0 now. So I'm just going to copy and paste the prompt which I'm going to be giving to Canva AI to code for me, okay? So this is the prompt I'm going to be using. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and click on submit and wait for it to load. So now this is what we have because it's done generating, okay? So over here we have the easiest quiz. You got this, so you can come here and test run the quiz, okay? So you can come here and start quiz and then see what it's going to say, okay? Then you can just play around with it. So when you're done answering it, this is what you're going to see, okay? It's going to tell you quiz complete, okay? So now in order to publish this quiz, you can come here and click on this publish, okay? And then it's going to bring you here, okay? You can always change this site URL, and to do that, you can come here and get a new domain name. I'm just using the one that Canva gave to me, okay? So what I'm gonna do now is I want to come and name this quiz, okay? So I'm going to call it interactive quiz, or you can give it any name you want, okay? So I'm going to delete all of this, okay? And then I'll come here and name it interactive quiz, okay? Feel free to name it however you want to. If it's a game, you can say interactive game. If it's a crossword, you can say interactive crossword. Whatever it is, feel free to do it, okay? So I'm going to come here. I'll skip this part which says get a new domain. Then I'll come here and click on publish, okay? And then it's going to publish straight to your website for you, okay? And then if you want to check whether this actually is working, you can come here and copy this, go on a new browser over here, okay, and then paste this over here, okay, and then search. Can you see now? This is what you have. So this has been published. So that's how you are able to create interactive quiz or anything using Canva AI. Very simple and very easy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next module.